Hello everyone. So today I come to you with another topic related to product demo. And being a coach, I have seen there's a lot of stress, there's a lot of anxiety amongst the teams, there's a lot of palpation about how a product demo would actually go. Whether as a team we have really captured the requirements well, am I going to get some negative feedback when I demonstrate the product to the product stakeholders? I think those are some of the important questions which we all have before we go in for a product demo. So before I talk on this topic further, let me show you a very interesting video. So let's watch the video first and then let us try to understand what exactly can be a way of a stress buster. All right, so I think you saw the video, right, from the very famous Mr. Bean series, right? And there's something very interesting in that video, as you would have seen, right? I mean, what we thought was the way this haircut was done was very shabby. It was not something which the customer would like. But here we saw that the child actually loved the haircut given by Mr. Bean. And what could be the reason for this? Or even in our products, right? Many times when we give a demo, we have all that anxiety, stress, or undercurrents going that my demo would not go great, right? Or I would get some very nasty or a negative feedback from my customers. However, in reality, we get a very good feedback. We get appreciation for the work what we have done. And the reason is not difficult to fathom, to be very honest. See, what we need to understand in today's dynamic world is that no one will have all the 100% requirements locked before we start with that product development. Rather, I would only have a couple of requirements which would be frozen in the beginning, and the rest of the requirements are predominantly going to evolve over a period of time. So even my client will get ideas, even my customers will get some kind of an insights into what the product would be. Maybe due to attending some trade fairs, events, or competitor analysis or surveys. Those would be the sources from which ideation would come in from a product development perspective. So all those development team members there who are delivering great and wonderful products, take this message as a kind of a booster message that whatever we do, right, at the end of the day, it all depends on what the customer wants, whether he or she is happy or not. Don't let that negative thing or negative emotions come into play when you're going in for a product demo meeting. This is Ashutosh Bhatodekar signing off for the moment. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll be eagerly awaiting your feedback. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such insightful videos. Thank you.